We would walk by the same like 3 paths and learn 5 new plants each time, and it was like each time I felt like I could see more clearly and see something new and fresh that was like, oh, you've been here all along, but I've just been walking by you, and actually you're like full of medicine and have centuries of stories connected to you, and that was really special. It was beautiful to just feel the scope of it, the vastness of it. My experience of the class was that it was held in a way that was really thoughtful and welcoming, and there were some people who had quite a lot of experience and they still seemed to learn a lot, and then there were a lot more folks like me who had a little bit or almost none, and it was accessible for everyone, and it felt like just a warm and welcoming group of people, and the environment is really warm and welcoming. And just being in a beautiful place, it felt like also was just taking a 4-day camping trip, which is part of what I needed as well. It's a gorgeous campus, and I was in a spot just nestled in the woods and felt just really held by the trees. I'd say if you want to learn about plants and your relationship with plants and herbs and herbal medicine in a beautiful place, then it will probably be a really good fit for you.